And kasi madami pa po tayo, magbibigay din ako kung paano nyo po ba, paano nyo ano, yung ating paano nyo po ba makita yung ating partner brands natin dyan. Kasi syempre alam naman natin ang GPC or Ginto Privilege Club is meron din talaga sila mga discounts, perks, everybody, 'di ba? Nakakatuwa lang din talaga. And syempre, meron din sila dito yung ating referral program, 'di ba? So hindi lang siya referral program, guys. At the same time, madami na kayong matututunan here. At the same time, guys, you can earn money, guys, by just inviting or referring, guys, yung mga friends, even family nyo dyan, 'di ba? With our referral program ni GPC. And, ayan, may nagpapa-shoutout dito, mga kaginto natin dyan, Rose. Hello po. Ayan, welcome po sa ating live. Ayan, everybody, guys, sa mga new viewers natin dyan, welcome again. Gusto ko din talaga malaman, no, kung sino pa yung mga, gusto pang ngayong guys, sumali din talaga sa GPC. And mag-invite din kayo ngayon, ha, i-share nyo tong live na to sa ating mga new viewers po natin, especially sa mga friends nyo. Ayan, kay Lani, shout out, grabe naman. Thank you so much. Hello, Miss Lani, no. Welcome po sa ating live ngayon. Okay, a special night with Ginto Privilege Club. Okay? Kaya naman, guys, no, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ayan, welcome mga kaginto. Welcome po to another special night with Ginto Privilege Club. Okay, if you're with us, well, last November 29, alam kong kung gaano ka-emotional, guys. Gaano ka-life-changing ang gabing yun. Diba? So, ayan, one call, remember, guys, no, one name, one moment, and someone's entire life completely changed. Ayan, mag-comment kayo, guys. Ayan, gusto ko mag-comment kayo dyan in the comments, everybody. Paskong Ginto. Gusto ko malaman dyan, diba? And tonight, guys, babalakyan natin ang moment na yon dahil ang ating 1 million peso winner is here with us tonight. And before this live stream ends, guys, ayan, mga kaginto natin, 5 people will receive 100,000 pesos each. Okay? Kaya important announcements lang, mga kaginto, no? Tonight po, we will be announcing 5 winners po ng ating 100,000 pesos, but we will not announce them all at once, okay? Kasi each winner will be announced at different moments po throughout the night. So, if you leave early, ayan, there's a possibility you might miss your name. Sayang naman, diba? Baka ikaw na yun. Diba? So, let's warm up the room, guys, no? Ngayong live natin today, mag-comment kayo kung taga saan kayo, saan kayong city, okay, saan kayong city, province man yan. Ayan, tapos, with the hashtag natin dyan na GPC Live. Okay, ayan, guys, tonight's flow po natin is very special din talaga. Kasi here's what's happening tonight, no? Kasi unang-una, okay, matutuklasan nyo din ang ating ang full interview with our 1 million pesos cash winner natin last November 29. Plus, meron pa tayong Christmas heart to heart with Miss Christine. At hindi lang po yun, no, may mini Christmas raffle, meron din tayong referral recognition, meron din po tayo sa ating main draw. Ano nga po ba yun, no? So, 5 winners, you will get, guys, sa mga 5 winners natin dyan. Grabe. I'm so excited na din talaga kasi i-announce namin yung 100,000 pesos na 5 winners for tonight at different times. And, mga kaginto, important lang din talaga to, no? We will not announce the exact draw time, guys. So, please stay until the end. Mag-comment kayo dyan ng ready na ako. Kasi ako, yes, ready na. Diba? So, mag-comment kayo dyan. Gusto ko makita dyan na kung ready na ba kayo. Pero, ayun, before we continue tonight, I want everyone watching, guys, to take a deep breath. Ayan. Take a deep breath, guys, kasi Christmas, everyone, is not just about the gifts. It's all about the gratitude, the hope, and the people, guys. So, the woman joining us now, guys, did not just start po this platform with the goal of headlines or attention. Kasi she started with a simple question, how can I help? Ayun, paano nga ba siya makakatulong sa atin, no? Okay? She is a mother, a leader, a believer in second chances, and someone who chose to build with integrity in a world that often rewards shortcuts. Mga kaginto, please all welcome the heart behind Ginto Privilege Club, Miss Christine Henderson.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Miss Christine, good evening po na and Merry Christmas.
Thank you. Good evening to Raisha and to everyone watching
Tonight, Merry Christmas as well.
Yes, I can feel it tonight kasi I think there's something different din talaga in the air.
Yes, yes. Christmas always brings a different kind of emotion. It's softer.
It's more honest.
Yes. And Miss Christine, Christmas is usually a time of reflection. So, kapag binalikan nyo yung taong ito, ayan, ano po yung
pinagsasalamatan nyo?
I'm deeply thankful for the people behind GPC, for the members who trusted us,
Even when we were still building quietly. Kahit wala pang ingay. For the stories we've heard, the sacrifices, the resilience, the hope, lahat may pinanggagalingan. And I'm truly grateful that GPC is no longer just an idea. Isa na siyang community.
Yes. And mga kaginto natin dyan, sa lahat po ng mga nanonood, no, mag-comment kayo. Thankful. Gusto ko makita in the comments na nag-comment kayo dyan ng thankful, ha. If you're grateful po to be here tonight. Grabe, ang dami ko na nakikita agad ng comments. Grabe naman. Si Miss Irish, hello. Ayan, nag-comment siya. Oh naman, hello po. Grabe naman. Parang nag-i-start pa lang tayo sa live. Ayan, kalma lang kayo. Okay, marami na po talaga, no, pag nakakita sa GPC ngayon, ang mga live stream, ang mga nanalo, guys, ang mga kasiyahan. Pero hindi po lahat din talaga alam ang pusong nasa likod po nito. Okay? Bakit po ba naging mahalaga sa inyo na gawin ito sa panahong maraming Pilipino ang patuloy po na nahihirapan?
Because Christmas can be the hardest time for those who are quietly carrying heavy burdens. Bills don't stop, responsibilities don't pause. I want the GPC to be something that reminds people you're not alone. Even one moment of hope can change how someone enters the new year.
Yes, that's beautiful, Miss Christine. No? So, and I think that's why nights like this feel so special din talaga. Kasi it's not just about winning money.
Exactly, that's right. It's about dignity. It's about giving people a reason to believe that something good can still happen. And Christmas reminds us of that even in simple moments, miracles can happen.
Yes, and Miss Christine, in a few moments now, we're going to hear a story that truly reflects din talaga what you're talking about now. And a story that started with doubt, and syempre ended with hope din talaga.
Yes, yes. And every time I think about it, I still get emotional because it reminds me why we do this.
Yes, before we invite her in, no, I want to ask everyone watching something. Ayan, this is a Christmas question lang din, mga kaginto, no. Ito, ang question ko tonight, no, kung may magandang nangyari po sa inyo bago matapos ang taong ito, ano po ang pinagpapasalamatan ninyo? Mag-comment kayo dyan. Gusto ko mag-comment kayo. Ayan. So, ayan, mag-comment kayo dyan, guys, ha? Sige, I'll be reading naman the comments. Ayan, may nakita na din ako, guys. And ito pala, Miss Christine, I know the story means a lot to you talaga, Mom.
Yes, yes, it does. It does. Because it's
Real. And it's not just something about winning. It's about what happens after as well.
Yes. And then, I think it's time na din talaga, Miss Christine. No? So, mga kaginto natin out there, let us welcome
The woman whose life changed with one phone call, our 1 million peso winner, Miss Irene Rose Santos.
Thank you po. Ayan, Miss Irene, ito naman. Thank you for being with us tonight.
No? And then Miss Christine is also with us here, guys, no? Not just as the founder of the GPC, but as someone who personally witnessed din talaga the moment you won.
Yeah, thank you, Irene. I'm really glad you can join us tonight.
Yes po. Thank you din po for having me here. And thank you po sa lahat ng staff na nag-assist din po.
Yes.
Problem. Yeah.
And Miss Irene, no, balik tayo sa exact moments na tinawag din talaga yung pangalan mo nung time na tumawag kami. Ayun. Ano po yung unang naramdaman niyo doon?
At first po, hindi talaga ako makapaniwala kasi parang in 36 years existence ko siguro sa Earth. Ngayon lang ako nanalo sa raffle. And malaki man yan, maliit na raffle, ito talaga yung first time. So nung nanginginig yung buong katawan ko, lalo yung daliri ko nung hinahanap ko yung page kasi at that time po, at that moment po, naglalaba kasi ako. So, hindi ko hawak yung phone. Nung nanginginig yung kamay ko nung hinahanap ko yung page ng GPC para manood nga ng live, confirm na ako talaga yung nanalo.
Yung naalala ko nung time na yun, nung tinawagan kita, I asked you, nanonood ka ba ng live? Sabi mo, na hindi at that time, tapos tinawag ka ng anak mo. But I remember that feeling na nung nakausap kita, parang hindi ka talaga makapaniwala.
Grabe, hindi po talaga kasi nung time na yun, parang nag-ring siya, tapos yung anak ko yung katabi ng cellphone, nagsabi lang na, "Ma, may tumatawag." Sabi ko, sagutin mo. Kasi aalis po kami ng mga friend, mga ninang yung, mga ninang po ng anak ko. Tapos nung, sabi niya, namatay. Sabi ko, baka tapos na yung tawag. Tapos nung maya sabi niya, tumatawag ulit, tanggalin mo sa charge. Sabi ko, tapos nung pagtawag ko po, sabi ko, hello? Tapos medyo, alam kung medyo yung boses ko kasi nga expected ko po, mga friend ko. Looking for Miss Irene. Sabi ko, speaking, this is from GPC. Nung narinig ko po yung chance, parang nalamig yung buong katawan ko. Hanggang ngayon po, nananayo yung balahin ko. Pag naalala ko yung boses.
Yes. Ma'am, anong pinaka naging reaction mo talaga nung narinig mo na, ay, 1 million pesos ko, pinadala ng panalunan mo?
Nanlamig yung buong katawan ko yun, ako makapaniwala. Tapos hindi po agad na-function sa isip ko. So parang, ano po? Ma'am, you're the lucky winner po. Ano po? Hindi kasi ako makapaniwala. So, yun, nung nag-function na siya, sinabi ko na din sa mama ko. Tapos yung anak ko kasi katabi ko, niyakap ko na lang din agad siya kasi nga sabi ko ay parang, tapos ang ano po kasi, ang maganda nun, parang 4:30, parang 2 weeks na kasi sa akin yung code. Ay yung link na mag-register daw. Parang biglang nadaanan ko ulit, tapos clinic ulit yung link. Nung 4:30, dun ko lang siya natapos yung registration.
On that same day?
Same day.
I remember you
Same
said
day.
that. For you.
Yes po. Tapos nung 4:30, tapos nung 5 po, mga 5:30, nag-chat sa akin yung isa kong friend na Becky. Sabi, maano na ba Day? Tinignan ko yung page. Sabi ko, ay baka wala, baka i-announce na lang sa page. Tapos nung mga yun po, may tumawag sa akin. Nakala ko po talagang wala, parang tapos na yung raffle. Kaya nung time na narinig ko po yung GPC, parang, ano talaga, hindi ko alam, nanlamig ako, nanginginig yung kamay ko. So yun.
But here you are.
Thank you.
Congratulations again. Oh my
It's really
God.
meant for you, Irene.
Yes.
Yes. And by the way, Miss Irene, no, let's address this directly din. Kasi ang dami ko ding nakikita ngayon sa mga nanonood natin. Grabe, ang dami ko ding nakikita actually. Totoo ba talaga siya? Ang dami na nag-comment actually. So let me ask you, Miss Irene, no? Sino si Miss Irene Rose Santos before ka manalo po sa GPC?
Before po, ako po ay isang ordinaryong solo parent na laging puyat, laging pagod. Kasi aside po sa regular employee, meron po akong mga racket para ma-sustentuhan or makamit po namin yung everyday needs din po namin ng anak. At saka syempre anak din po ako na tumutulong sa mother.
Yes. So, kung may iniisip ngayon na hindi naman ako special, ano po yun?
Ano po? Ganun din po ako, hindi rin po ako special, pero binigyan po kasi ako ng chance ng GPC na magkaroon po ng magandang future para sa akin at syempre para po sa anak ko.
Yes, grabe
Thank
naman.
you.
Talaga nakaka-relate din talaga. Lalo na sa mga single mom din dito, guys.
And syempre, sa mga nanay dyan out there na parang nafe-feel nila sobrang pagod na sila sa ano po, no, sa buhay nila. Ayan, may chance, may hope pa po. Okay? Kaya kung nakarelate po kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, ordinaryo lang. Ayan, mag-comment kayo dyan, mga kaginto natin dyan, no? Ito naman, Miss Irene, may mga nagtatanong din actually, ngayon sa ngayong live, no? So, hindi ba daw to scripted? Hindi po ba to magkakilala? Baka kasi isipin nila, magkakilala na kayo
Ay,
before.
hindi po. Hindi po. Actually po, ito po yung first time na na-meet ko po si Miss Christine or si Miss Ginto and lahat po ng staff. Ang first time po namin nagkausap ni Miss Christine is noong November 29 po, yung moment po na nanalo ako.
Thank you for confirming that. It's clear for everyone watching, wala kaming prior connection ni Irene. Hindi kami magkakilala before the draw. System ang pumili, hindi tao.
Yes. And to be clear lang, no, may binayaran ka ba para manalo? Ayan, ang dami ko din kasi nakikitang comments dyan. Baka kasi mamaya may binayaran ka daw.
Wala po, kasi actually, yung pang everyday needs namin ng anak ko, kulang pa nga. Kaya nga, aside sa regular na trabaho, marami pa akong mga racket, kung ano po tinitinda ko sa opisina, yun. Kasi wala akong extra talaga na pangbabayan.
And that's really important, everyone. Sa GPC, may isang rule kami. It's fairness.
Yes. And mga kaginto watching tonight, no, this is what real looks like. And ito po yung pinaka-importanting tanong tonight, Miss Irene. Ayan, natanggap mo ba talaga ang 1 million pesos natin?
Yes po. Natanggap ko na po yung buong buo, yung 1 million or yung cash prize po. And siguro pa 5 days after ko pong manalo kasi may mga requirements pa na i-comply. Tapos, pero syempre dito po kasi sa Philippines, yung mga cash prizes po, meron po yung mga 20% na ililes dun sa ma-receive ko po, na which is legal and normal naman po sa Philippines.
You mean the tax?
Yes po, yung 20% tax ko.
Yeah, thank you for confirming that, Irene, and thank you for explaining that clearly as well. For transparency, lahat ng large winnings in the Philippines are subject to government tax. That's not a deduction from GPC, that's a legal requirement.
Yes po.
Yes, salamat din talaga for clarifying that, Miss
Christine, no? And Miss Irene, ito, may proof ka ba na natanggap mo talaga yung pera?
Yes po, meron naman po. And yung first po doon, syempre treat ko yung family ko. Tapos, ongoing po yung renovation po sa bahay namin. And,
Renovate kayo?
opo, kasi, nag-buffet po kami.
Wow.
Yung family ko ng
celebrating.
mga friends. Then, tomorrow din po, meron din ako trip. Yung mga super close ko lang na mga Becky. Kasi yung mga Becky friend ko kasi sa amin, yung talaga yung simula pagkabata kasama ko. So, sila po. And then, yung half the price po, naka-ready na po to start the business ko.
That's
Oh my God, mga kaginto, grabe kayo, 10,000 viewers! Wow, grabe, nakakatuwa ngayon. Oh my God, grabe.
And that's really good that you're sharing your blessings with your family and friends as well. And we verify that everyone,
natanggap talaga ni Irene, and we transfer the money from the draw to the release and to the transfer. Everything was documented and transparent.
Yes, grabe naman yun. No? So mga kaginto natin dyan, kung totoo to para sa kanya, posible rin para sa inyo. Yes. And Miss Irene, bago ang panalo, ayan, ano po yung pinakamabigat na dinadala mo?
Siguro po as a solo parent, and then aside sa emotional, syempre po financial. Kasi ako yung mag-isang nagtataguyod sa anak ko eh. Tapos syempre anak din po ako na tumutulong sa nanay ko. So yun yung number one na talagang mabigat na parang pinagdadaanan ko before po ako manalo is financial po talaga, which is talagang ang laking tulong po talaga ng Ginto.
Maraming Pilipino talaga ang ganyan din, Irene, ang pinagdadaanan. Hindi man naririnig ng iba, pero totoo ang bigas.
Yes. And mga kaginto natin dyan, guys, no? Kung naranasan nyo na pong umiyak ng tahimik, ayan, mag-comment kayo, lumaban. Lumaban, ayan, lumaban lang kayo, guys. Again, guys, ayan, mag-comment lang kayo. Gusto ko makita sa comments yung energy nyo. Okay? Kasi madami pa tayong mga i-announce later on. Okay? Ito naman, Miss Irene, after you won, ano po yung nagbago sa'yo?
Ang nagbago po, siguro po yung unang-una is yung naging panatag. Kasi parang before yung winning moment ko kasi parang sobrang pagod na ako. Parang kuya, hindi lang physically, emotionally. Kasi nga parang pag-isa na lang ako, tapos pagpagod ako wala akong maano. Yung ganun po. So, ngayon po, parang after nung manalo, bukod po sa na panatag ko, parang nakampante na secure na po yung future ng anak ko tsaka ng family ko.
Yeah, that's good to hear. And mahirap talaga pag wala kang masandalan.
Opo.
You need to be strong for yourself and for your daughter.
Opo.
And that's something people need to hear. Minsan ang panalo, hindi yung kasiyahan, kundi yung pagkakataong huminga ulit.
Yes, and Miss Irene pala ito, sino po yung dahilan kung bakit hindi ka po sumusuko?
Si Heaven, yung anak ko po. Kasi, since, si Heaven po kasi is pangatlo yun sa, parang talagang grabe panalangin na po. Parang pangatlong attempt kasi yan, yung dalawang babies pas nasa Heaven na. So, siya lang talaga yung, yung nabuhay. Kaya nga Heaven yung pangalan niya. Tapos, aside po sa solo parent, ako po ay anak at kapatid po na tumutulong din po sa pamilya.
And that's a very beautiful name. I remember when you told me her name, Heaven.
Apo.
Yeah, that's special. And that's the kind of strength we see in so many GPC members. Family first, always.
Yes.
Yes. And mga kaginto natin, no, again, kung may pamilya po, kung pamilya ang dahilan mo, kung sila po ang pinaghuhugutan mo talaga ng lakas, no, mag-comment kayo para sa kanila. Yes, gusto ko makita yan sa comments, no? Ayan, para sa kanila, guys, mag-comment lang kayo dyan. Ayan, may nakikita na ako nagko-comment. Ayan, thank you so much, everybody, no? Ang mga kaginto. And ito pala, Miss Irene. So, ito naman po, message yun naman po sa mga nanonood sa atin na may konting duda pa rin sa GPC.
Yes po. Sa mga nanonood po, sa mga gusto rin pong maranasan ko, ano po yung naranasan ko, huwag po tayo magduda. Dahil totoo po, si GPC o si Ginto, talagang malaki po ang may tulong yan po sa atin. So, ano pa ang inaantay natin? Magtiwala lang po tayo at mag-register lang.
Yes, and sa mga pagod na no, at sa mga pagod na dyan, ayan, kung lumalaban pa rin kayo, ayan, tama yan, kasi huwag kayong sumuko, guys, kasi may pag-asa pa talaga. So, ito pala, Miss Irene, thank you so much kasi hindi lang dahil nanalo ka, kundi dahil totoo ka talaga.
And I want to say this clearly tonight as well. This is not a story we created. This is a life that truly changed. So GPC, we don't promise miracles. We show proof.
Yes, and mga kaginto, no, this is not a promise. This is proof. Ay, nakikita nyo naman ngayong live. So, Miss Irene, ito pala, no, before we let you go po, may huling mensahe ka po ba sa mga nanonood right now?
Yes po. Sa mga nanonood po, kung pagod ka na or kung nararamdaman mo araw-araw na lumalaban ka, gusto ko lang po sabihin sa inyo na parehas po tayo ng pinagdadaanan. Ang ginawa ko po ay nagtiwala sa Ginto at syempre nag-register po. So kung may takot, may duda, may pagod ka, pero isang araw po, binigyan ko yung sarili ko ng chance para mabago yung future ko. And syempre hindi ko po alam kung mananalo ako, pero alam ko kung hindi ako susubok, walang magbabago sa buhay ko.
Thank you, Irene.
And sa mga kaginto natin dyan, guys, no, that was not a pitch, okay? That was a testimony. So if you felt that message, kahit konti lang mga kaginto, type it now sa comment section natin. Binigyan ko ang sarili ko ng chance. Yes.
Yeah, and thank you again, Irene. And to everyone watching tonight, this is exactly why we built GPC.
Not to pressure, not to promise shortcuts, but to give people a fair chance to believe again.
Yes, and salamat Miss Irene, no?
Kasi before you go, would you like to say goodbye to everyone watching tonight, mga kaginto?
Yes po. Maraming salamat po sa oras niyo pong lahat and sa pakikinig. Sana kahit sa maikling kwento ko po, may napulot po kayong lakas at pag-asa. Maraming salamat po Ginto Privilege Club and Miss Christine. At sa lahat po ng naniwala. Maligayang Pasko po sa inyo lahat.
Thank you, Irene. And you will always be part of the GPC family.
Yes po.
Yes.
Thank you po.
And thank you so much again, Miss Irene, no? And mga kaginto natin dyan, sa mga nanonood po natin, mag-comment kayo. Salamat, Irene. Ayan guys, salamat po, Miss Irene.
Yes po. Thank you po ulit.
Congrats.
Yes po.
Congrats
Thank you po.
again.
Thank you po.
So, okay mga kaginto, no, eto na. Eto na po, after that very touching moment with Irene, it's time to lift the energy a little bit. Kasi guys, Christmas na, no, it's all about joy, celebration, and sharing the blessings, okay? And syempre, kaya naman, sa mga quick clarification lang din talaga mga kaginto, no, para malinaw din talaga sa lahat natin dyan, no, this mini raffle will be drawn from your engagement comments tonight. Yes, narinig nyo yon. Sa mga nagko-comment dyan ka lang, okay? Kasi kung nag-comment ka, kasama ka sa pinagpipilian po namin today. And now po, an important reminder lang din talaga. Kasi this mini raffle is exclusively for those GPC members. So, please make sure na registered GPC member ka. At syempre, yung details na ginagamit nyo po sa registration ay active at dapat valid. Okay? If ever mapili ka, ang mapili po yung pangalan mo, pero upon verification hindi ka po GPC member, we will respectfully have to forfeit the prize. Okay? So, here's how you officially qualify tonight, mga kaginto. And ito guys, mag-comment lang kayo dyan ng mini Pasko. Mag-comment kayo ng mini Pasko dyan guys. And make sure na you're watching live. At syempre, by the way pala, ito pala add ko lang din. Sa mini Pasko, maglagay kayo doon ng GPC referral code ninyo. Ayan. Mini Pasko plus referral code ninyo ha. And make sure guys na GPC member kayo dyan. Okay? One comment is enough. Don't worry guys, kahit hindi na madami, basta isang comment okay na yun. Okay? So let me see guys who's still with us tonight, no? Kung ready na kayo. Again, mag-comment kayo kung ready na guys. Mag-comment kayo. Gusto ko makita. Oo naman, ang dami ko nakikitang ready na. Wow, ako din. Ready na din. Ayan. So if you win, no? Here's what's happened next, guys. Kasi we will contact you naman using the email address and even the mobile number you use, guys, when you registered as a GPC member.
After verification as well, the 2,000 pesos cash prize will be transferred directly to you for this mini raffle. No fees, no charges, no hidden conditions.
Yes, and important reminders lang din talaga mga kaginto, no? We will never ask you to pay any fee, guys. We will never ask for your password or OTP. We will only contact you through the email and mobile number and your GPC account, guys. So, if someone asks you for money to release this prize, guys, this is not GPC, guys. Possible baka mamaya na-scam ka na, diba? So, again, guys, GPC hindi po ganon. Hindi po sila naghihingi ng mga password or any OTP, okay? And habang nagko-comment kayo dyan, no, if may kakilala po kayong pwedeng mabigyan din ng gantong pagkakataon, ayan guys, share this live tag and tag them in the comments, everybody. Baka hindi lang po isa ang mabago ngayong Pasko. Yes, and by the way, ito pala, Miss Christine. Since ano naman dito, sige, ang dami ko na nakikita, nagko-comment. So, ito naman, ano po yung ano nyo, yung lucky number nyo, ma'am. Ito naman, dun ako magbe-base ngayon para naman kung sino po talaga yung mananalo for the lucky winner natin ng ating raffle for tonight.
You mean selecting
Yes.
selecting the number? Well, the lucky number I can think of would be number 14.
Wow, grabe naman.
Number 14, grabe guys! Sa number 14 natin dyan na nag-comment, sobrang swerte mo kasi ikaw na yung mananalo for tonight. Grabe naman, no? Sa mini raffle natin, isipin nyo guys, mini raffle natin dyan, diba? Nag-comment ka lang as long as GPC member ka. Okay, next step natin dyan, if you're still watching and you're ready for the mini raffle, guys, ayan, mag-comment kayo guys. Again, handang manalo. Gusto ko makita yan. Handang manalo kayo dyan, guys. Okay, mga kaginto natin dyan. I can see the comments. I can feel the energy. Now, remember everybody, guys. Again, as I said earlier, dapat active GPC member ka. Dapat you're watching live. Dapat naka-comment kayo ng Mini Pasko plus yung referral code ninyo. Because right now, guys, we are drawing, okay, the winner of our 2,000 pesos mini raffle. Yes! Okay. Ayan, mga kagintono, eto na. So, Miss Christine, ready ka na po ba kayo?
Yes, ready na, Raisha.
Yes! And ang nanalo po, no, sa ating 2,000? Okay, ayan, nagano pa tayo. Gusto pa natin makita, guys. Ayan, mag-comment muna kayo dyan, guys, para naman makapili pa kami. Okay, as long as sa number 14 na comments, everybody, no? Ayan, tinitignan pa rin ng ating
The lucky number 14.
yes. Ayan, dapat number 14 kayo dyan. Kasi kapag hindi kayo number 14 possible, ayan, baka mamaya. Pero don't worry guys, may chance pa rin naman. Kasi syempre, later on, madami pa tayong surprises. Diba, Miss Christine?
Yeah, of course. Yes.
Diba naman? Kaya naman sa mga new viewers natin dyan, mga kaginto, grabe, ang dami nating viewers, no? So sa mga nagko-comment dyan, ayan, magstay lang kayo dyan, guys. Kasi, ayan, nakakatuwa lang din talaga. Kasi ngayon, ang dami pa nating dapat abangan ngayong gabi. Okay? And guys, stay lang kayo dyan. Kasi aside dun sa mini raffle natin, madami pa tayo dyan. Dun sa ating 5 winners, diba, as I said earlier, diba, yung bago pa lang tayo nagla-live, ayan, nagsabi naman ako sa inyo na i-announce po natin yung 5 winners of 100,000 pesos, diba? Again, everybody ha, sa mga nagko-comment natin dyan, again, dapat po mini Pasko plus yung ating referral code. Dapat po ganun. Okay? Para makita namin talaga. Kasi kapag wala kang referral code, possible hindi ka GPC member. Okay? Kailangan talaga guys, no? Dapat po GPC member ka. Kaya ang sinasabi namin here, Mini Pasko plus yung ating referral code ng GPC. Yes. Kaya naman, no? Sa mga gusto pang umabol dyan, again, mag-comment lang kayo in the comments, guys, para makahabol kayo ngayon. Isipin nyo kapag naka 14 comments kayo dyan, sayang. Diba? Kasi one comment, guys, is enough. Diba? So, by the way, ito pala, quick reminder lang din talaga for those GPC natin dyan, sa mga hindi pa po nakakaalam, sa mga hindi pa po masyado familiar with the GPC. Again, GPC po is a membership platform na makakatulong din po talaga sa mga Pinoy, mga Pilipino, guys. Syempre, and hindi lang po yun kasi may mga discounts sila, mga event perks po para po sa mga partner brands nila guys sa GPC app. Disipin nyo, magkakaroon pa kayo mga discounts. And aside from that, meron din po tayo mga referral program. Diba? So yung mga referral program natin dyan, pag nag-invite ka, diba? Even yung mga family mo, ay makakasali pa rin guys sa ating, kapag GPC member kasi madami talaga kayong perks guys. Diba? So hindi lang po yun ng mga discounts pa yan. Kaya sayang naman if ever hindi kayo pa-member. Kasi isipin nyo, madami nagpapa-mini raffle na din talaga si Miss Christine ngayon, no? So, grabe, ano din talaga to, biglaan din talaga. Kaya naman, no, sa mga new viewers natin dyan, mga kaginto, stay lang kayo dyan until the end kasi madami pa tayo talaga. So, surprise tayo ngayon, guys, kasi baka mamaya, diba, habang nandito ka, habang nanonood ka sa live natin, diba, baka ikaw na yung possible mamaya na isa sa mga mananalo later on. Yes. Kaya naman ako sa mga new viewers natin dyan. Ayan.
Meron na ba tayong winner? Wala pa.
Ayan, wala pa. Ayan, magano lang kayo dyan. Mag-stay lang kayo. Mag-comment kayo. Gusto ko mag-comment kayo dyan. Yes, gusto ko mag-comment. Eto guys, again ha, magko-comment kayo, mini Pasko with referral code. Ganon. Mini Pasko plus yung ating referral code.
Yung unique referral
Yes,
code
yung
nila.
unique referral code ng GPC natin dyan. Kasi, syempre, kapag wala yung GPC referral code mo, ayun, there's a possibility baka mamaya hindi ka qualify. Kasi nga, as I said earlier, dapat active GPC member ka, dapat you're watching live, and syempre, dapat naka-comment ka dyan ng mini Pasko plus yung referral code mo. Yes! Guys, kasi as I said earlier, no, we are drawing the winner, guys, of our 2,000 mini raffle, guys. Yes, mag-comment kayo dyan, guys. Gusto ko pa makita yung mga comments nyo. Gusto ko talaga. Oh my God! Hello! Oh my God! We have the lucky winner, guys.
Oh,
Ayan, ang nanalo na po ng ating 2,000 Christmas mini raffle ay... Mga kaginto, let's congratulate our winner. Mag-comment kayo dyan ng congrats, guys, and drop some hearts comments in the comments, guys, sa comment section natin dyan. And ang winner ng ating mini raffle for tonight, si Sir Chris J. Erazo. Ayan. Yes, welcome. Congratulations.
Congratulations, Chris Erazo. Thank you for
Actively participating and for being part of the GPC community.
Yes, and congratulations again to our 2,000 mini raffle winner na si Chris Erazo. Ayan, that was our small Christmas treat lang, no? But our way din talaga of warming up the night. Yes, mga kaginto, this is where it gets more serious na din talaga, no? Kasi earlier tonight, we shared a real story. A life that truly changed. That story reminded us why we are all here. And because right now, guys, we're about to do something that could change another life again. And as promised, as I said earlier naman, tonight, guys, we are giving away our 500,000 pesos in total. Isipin nyo, guys, grabe, no? A 500,000 in total, guys. That's a 5 winners, everybody, ng members po ng GPC, 100,000 pesos each. Grabe naman. So, important reminder lang na talaga, mga kaginto, no? We will announce the 5 winners at different moments tonight. Kaya naman, so if you stay, guys, until the end, you increase your chances din talaga of hearing your name. Kasi possible, pag hindi kayo nagstay until the end, guys, baka mamaya, diba, hindi pa kayo matawag. Sayang naman. And for those guys who stayed din talaga with us this far, ayan, this next moment is for you guys. So, ito naman, Miss Christine, before we call our first winner ng 100,000 pesos cash prize, would you like to say something to our members?
Yes. To everyone watching, this is our way of saying thank you for believing in what we're building together. One name, one call, one moment. Let's begin!
Alright, mga kaginto natin dyan. Ayan. Ito. Oh my God, I'm so excited na din talaga, no? So, let's call our first 100,000 pesos cash winner. 100,000 pesos cash winner natin dyan, mga kaginto, no? Ayan, this is it, guys. Ang unang tatanggap po ng 100,000 pesos cash prize tonight ay isa din po talaga sa ating mga GPC or Ginto Privilege Club members natin na nanonood natin live ngayon. Okay, as a reminder, one name, one call, live verification. If your phone rings, guys, please answer na kayo kaagad kasi sayang din talaga.
Okay, are you ready?
Yeah, super.
So the first 100,000 winner of tonight's Christmas giveaway is... Run the door, please. Congratulations, Wazin.
Hello, Wizin. Ayan, welcome po, no? Kung nanonood ka live right now, we are calling you now. Ayan, Miss Wizin, no? Ayan, Wizin. Ayan, kailangan habang nag-iintay kami sa'yo, just a reminder din talaga, this is a live call, mga kaginto, no script, no second take. Kung ikaw yan, ayan, this could be your moment. Okay? And let's see kung answer na po ba si Wizin, no? Sa ating call po. Mga kaginto, mag-type na kayo dyan in the comments, answer na. Yes, gusto ko makita dyan in the comments, guys, na gusto ko makita yung comments nyo para naman ma-answer nyo na yung natin, yung calls natin. Diba?
This moment never gets old. Because every call represents a real person and a real story as well.
Yes, sana hindi din talaga naka-silent yung phone mo. Wizin, no? Kasi mga kaginto natin dyan, that is why we always say din talaga, keep your phone, guys, close tonight. And for everyone's watching, no? Mga kaginto, remember, this is just the first winner out of the 5. So, 4 more names natin dyan will be called tonight, no? So, stay with us. Kaya naman, guys, mag-aantay pa tayo, guys, no, sa ating winner to answer everybody. Kaya naman, stay lang po kayo until the end kasi as I said earlier, madami pa po tayong i-announce. Okay, kaya naman, no, ayan, mag-wait lang tayo sa ating winner, guys, kasi we'll be calling naman them tonight, guys. Okay? Ayan. Wait for a while lang, everybody, ha? But at the same time, stay until the end, guys. Stay with us, everyone. And bear with us. Kasi inaantay po namin na mag-answer din talaga si ating winner. Ayan. Nandyan na ba? Sumagot na ba? Sumagot na ba ang ating winner? Oh my God, okay, wala pang sumasagot. Ayan. Sige, mag-aantay muna tayo dyan, no? Kasi habang po nandito pa po tayo sa ating live right now, ayan, magstay lang kayo dyan, guys, kasi syempre, baka mamaya later on, no, sa ating mga ibang draw pa, ayan, baka possible, mas malaki pa yung chances mong manalo. Ayan, lalo na pag ikaw din yung isa sa mga nagstay until the end ng aming live. Diba, Miss Christine? Tama naman.
Yeah, that's true.
Yes. And sa mga GTC members, guys, as I said earlier, sobrang laki din talaga ng mga benefits po talaga when it comes to GPC as a GPC member, guys. Kasi once na GPC member ka, meron silang mga discounts, even perks, everybody, para din po makapag-avail din kayo ng mga discounts from their merchant partners, everyone. Diba? So, sayang naman if ever hindi nyo siya ma-avail. Kasi isipin nyo, may iba't iba silang discounts doon. And to be honest, guys, ako kasi nakita ko din talaga doon sa GPC app, madami sila doon. Meron din sila doon iba't ibang din talaga mga category. Ayan, kung meron kayo dyan, kung mahilig kayo sa mga beauty and personal care, then same tayo. Ayan, kasi may makikita kayo dun, madaming iba't iba din talagang discounts. Diba? So, grabe din talaga, nakakatuwa lang din talaga kapag GPC member ka. Ayan, mas malaki din talaga yung chance nyong manalo. Okay, lalo na ito pala, by the way, ha, ito, meron tayong mga royal. Ayan, ito pala, meron tayong mga royal, meron tayong mga elite, at syempre, meron din tayong ayun, meron din tayo dyan, guys, yung basic. So, anyway, ito mga kaginto, no? Okay, mga kaginto natin dyan, we've attempted naman to reach din talaga si Wizin. Ayan,
sayang.
Yes, sayang talaga, no? So, multiple times, grabe, tinawagan talaga ng aming team. And just to be very clear din talaga for everyone's watching, no? This is a live draw. So, this is a live call, no edits, no second take, guys. So, according to GPC's official process, mga kaginto, no, if a winner cannot be reached live during the call, so the win po is documented naman.
Yes.
So the account then is verified, and our team po will contact the winner, guys, directly using the registered email and even the mobile number in their GPC account.
Yeah, that's true, Raisa. This ensures fairness, security, and protection for all members. So no one is skipped, no one is replaced unfairly.
Yes, tama ka dyan, Miss Christine, no? So, mga kaginto natin dyan out there watching tonight, moments like this are normal din talaga in live draws, no? So, what matters is that the process stays fair, calm, and transparent.
Yeah, and also, every winner tonight is chosen by the system. Every step is documented, and every prize follows the same process.
Yes. Alright, mga kaginto natin dyan, guys, no? Thank you so much for your patience Ayan, so let's continue with the program, guys, as we prepare po for our next big moment tonight. Kaya naman, stay lang kayo until the end, mga kaginto natin dyan out there. Again, congratulations again po to our winner. Kahit hindi siya sumagot, but don't worry, i-ano naman po namin siya with our team, guys. I-contact naman po siya with our team, everybody. So, mga kaginto, let's take a moment to breathe. Ayan. Dahil yun. So, every time we make that call, guys, every time we hear that, guys, no, it reminds them talaga, anyway, guys, no, since wala naman po tayo, wala din talagang sumagot, no, sa ating winner, guys, na si Wizen. Ayan, Miss Christine, ito naman. Okay. Every story we clear tonight po. From Irene, ayan, to our winners natin dyan, they all point back din talaga to that one thing. So, why GPC exists? Ayan, Miss Christine, when you see moments like this po, so what goes through your heart?
What I see are real people. People who wake up every day doing their best for their families. GPC was never built to promise shortcuts. It was built to create fair access. Access to opportunities, access to partners, access to hope.
Okay. Some people might think GPC is not about the giveaways. How would you explain this, Miss Christine? No, its real mission.
The giveaways are not the mission. They are just one expression of it. The real mission is to build a community where members feel valued and not exploited, where transparency matters, where integrity is non-negotiable.
Yes, and Miss Christine, bakit niyo po ba ginawa ang Ginto Privilege Club?
Filipinos, because I believe Filipinos deserve access, not hype. This is about fairness and long-term opportunity.
Yes. So, what's coming in naman more sa GPC natin ngayong 2026, Miss Christine?
Madami. In 2026, we have so many plans. GPC becomes stronger, not louder. More trusted partners, more meaningful member benefits, better systems, but the heart stays the same. We will continue to grow with our members, not at their expense.
Yes, that feels very aligned din talaga with the Christmas, Miss Christine, no? Giving without the pressure.
Exactly. Christmas reminds us that the most meaningful gifts are not flashy. They're the ones that bring peace.
Yes, mga kaginto natin dyan out there, no? Ayan sa mga nanonood, if this vision resonates with you, if you believe in something din talaga built the right way, mag-comment kayo dyan, kasama ako. Ayan, mag-comment kayo. I'll be reading the comments naman right away, guys. So, ayan, mag-comment lang kayo. Gusto ko makita yung comments nyo dyan. By the way, thank you so much, Miss Christine, no? Kasi that's the heart of Ginto Privilege Club din talaga. Not just tonight, but you know that not just this year, but the years ahead.
Yes.
So, mga kaginto natin dyan, ayan, welcome po again sa ating live for tonight with what we just talked about, no? Integrity, fairness, okay, community po. Okay, those are not just words, they come to life din talaga. Every time we make a call like this, everybody, earlier tonight, guys, we called din talaga our first 100,000 pesos cash winner. And we said then, guys, no, that was only the beginning. So, magstay lang kayo as a reminder lang din talaga to everyone's watching out there. Tonight, guys, we are announcing our 5 winners ng ating 100,000 pesos cash prize. Yes, and we are announcing them, guys, at different moments, no, throughout the night. So, if you're still here, no, you're exactly where you need to be. So, ito naman, Miss Christine, are you ready to announce our second winner?
Yes, of course. Of course. To all our GPC members watching live tonight, this next name could be yours.
Ayan, grabe naman, nakaka-excite din na talaga, no? Mga kaginto natin. Okay, let's do this.
As always, one name, one call, one moment. If your phone rings, Please answer agad.
Yes, here we go, guys. Ayan.
GPC members, as promised, we continue with our second winner. The second 100,000 winner of tonight's Christmas giveaway is... Run the draw, please. Congratulations to our second winner, Mary Grace.
Congratulations, Miss Mary Grace. Ayan ha, we are calling you right now naman. So mga kaginto, no, this is always the moment na sabay-sabay tayong huminga. Grabe, nakaka-intense din talaga tong night na to, no? So kung ikaw yan, ayan, please answer agad kayo, mga kaginto. Mag-type na kayo ng sagot na gusto ko makita dyan para sumagot na yung ating winner, no? Ng ating second winner ng ating 100,000 pesos cash prize. So ayan, reminder lang din po talaga sa lahat po ng mga nanonood na mga kaginto, no? This is a live call, okay? No scripts, no second take, guys.
Tama ka, Raisha. Every name we call tonight represents a real person and a real story.
Yes, and habang tinatawagan pa po natin ang ating lucky winner ng ating lucky winner number 2 natin dyan. Ayan, wait lang tayo dyan and stay until the end kasi sayang din talaga to, isipin nyo. Pero don't worry guys, ito naman po ay documented naman. So, anyway, ayun, wait na lang natin siya na mag-answer. Stay until the end guys. Stay with us tonight guys, no? Huwag kayong mairita dyan, okay? In case guys na kayo sa pag-aantay. Okay, kasi kami naman, nag-aantay din talaga na kami para naman po mag-answer din talaga yung ating winner. Kasi, grabe, 100,000 pesos to. Grabe naman. Grabe yun guys, no? Isipin nyo, 5 winners ang inano ni Miss Christine na sa GPC guys. Grabe, GPC member ka, tapos isa ka sa mga GPC verified member, everybody. Ayan, there's a possibility, mas malaki po yung chance natin para po manalo ng ating 100,000 pesos cash prize. Diba? Sayang din talaga to. Ayan, lalo na ngayong Pasko, no? Ayan. So, alright mga kaginto, no? Thank you so much for your patience, everybody. Ayan, anyway, ayan, so napansin ko kasi parang hindi, ayan, mga kaginto natin dyan, parang hindi talaga nag-answer si ating winner number 2, no? So, we've attempted din talaga to reach po si ating, si Miss Mary Grace, multiple times. Just to be clear din talaga for everyone's watching natin dyan, mga kaginto, no? This is a live draw, this is a live call, no edits, no second takes. Okay, so according to GPC's official process, if a winner cannot be reached live during the call, guys, the win naman is documented, the account po is verified, and our team naman will contact the winner directly using the registered email and mobile number in the GPC account. So by the way, out of coverage yung ating winner. So sayang naman.
That's okay, we still have 3 more winners to call tonight and announce. And so should we call the next winner or?
Okay, so anyway, congratulations again
or
po.
Or baka mamaya na lang, Raisha. Mamaya na lang.
Okay, sige ma'am. Go lang. Ayan. So mga kaginto natin dyan out there, guys. Ayan. Congratulations po again, no, sa ating second winner. And what we've seen tonight, guys, are moments of chance din talaga. Kasi isipin nyo, naging member lang siya ng GPC, pero isipin nyo guys, isa na siya sa mga winner ng ating 100,000 pesos cash prize. Diba? Grabe naman. And guys, some people join GPC quietly, some people watch lang, some people nag-aantay lang sila, but some people guys choose to share, and they invite, they explain, they believe din talaga enough to bring others in. And because it's Christmas, guys, we want to say thank you. So Miss Christine, this part is special din talaga because it's not just about the luck, it's about the effort.
Yes, it's also about the effort. Referrals are not just numbers to us. They represent trust. When someone refers GPC, they're putting their name and credibility on the line. And that's something we deeply respect.
Yes. And so tonight, no, mga kaginto, because it's Christmas, we're giving extra cash rewards to our top 3 referrers from December 1 to 20. Ayan, this is on top of everything else din talaga, no? Wow, nakakatuwa, grabe, no? Here are the Christmas bonuses that you will get. Ayan, for top referrer number 3 naman natin, you will get a 2,000 pesos cash prize. For top referrer number 2, ayan, you will get a 3,000 pesos cash prize. Tapos, kapag top referrer number 1 ka naman, ayan, 5,000 cash prize yung makukuha nyo.
Tama ka, Raisha. This is our way of saying we see the effort, we value the trust, and we reward people who help grow the community the right way.
Yes, and mga kaginto natin, no, if you've referred din talaga even one person, well, this recognition is for you. Ay, mag-comment kayo dyan na nag-share ako. Gusto ko makita kung sino ba talaga mang nagre-refer dito ngayon. Alright, so let's now recognize, guys, our top 3 referrers from December 1 to 2025. Okay? Because sometimes, guys, the biggest impact comes from simply sharing hope, everybody. So, mga kaginto natin dyan, no, let's begin by recognizing someone who took that first step to share GPC with others. Referring po, no, it's not about numbers alone. It's all about belief. Belief enough to say, try this. Okay, I trust this. Ganon.
Yeah, tama ka. Every referral starts with courage. And we value members who are willing to put their name behind something they believe in.
Yes, and our top referrer number 3, who will receive a 2,000 pesos cash Christmas cash bonus is oh my God! Yung ating lucky, 1 million natin dyan, yung lucky winner ng ating 1 million pesos cash prize last November 29. Si Miss Irene Rose Santos. Grabe naman. Mag-comment kayo dyan, ha. Let's congratulate our top referrer number 3 natin dyan. Mag-comment kayo dyan, guys. Ayan. Ay, meron number ni Wizen, guys. Ayan, meron na po. Anyway, everybody, no, by the way, ito pala sa top 3 referrers natin dyan. Thank you so much, no? And sorry.
Lucky talaga si Irene,
yes,
diba?
actually, grabe naman. Oh my God, sana all. Ayun, so anyway, next, guys, we recognize someone po who did not just share once, no? But stayed consistent din talaga.
Parang gusto, Alright, so Irene just want to say hi again because she's our number 3 referrer of the month from December 1 to 20.
Wow, grabe naman. Congratulations again, no? Sobrang swerte mo, Miss Irene, no?
Thank you, Lev. Hello.
Grabe naman. So anyway, that's our 2,000 cash prize, no? Cash bonus ngayong Christmas. From the GPC.
Thank you po, Lev.
Yeah, no problem. Consistency builds trust, and trust is the foundation of everything we're building at GPC. I'm sorry, guys.
So, ito naman, our top referrer number 2 naman, who will receive po our 3,000 Christmas cash bonus is... Ayan, sino nga po ba? Ayan, si ating...
Thank you, Irene.
Sir Randolph, hello! Ayan, welcome po na. Grabe! Miss Christine, grabe no, 14 referrals. Wow naman, alam naman natin kapag naka-13 ka pa lang, diba? Bayad na yung isa mong month, right?
Yeah, thank you,
Yes.
Randolph. Thank you to our top referrer number 2. Thank you for your consistency and for representing GPC with integrity.
Yes. And ating sa top referrer number 1 natin, mga kaginto, no? And this recognition din talaga is super special kasi yung ating top referrer number 1 did not just invite people, they helped build the community, they answered questions, they guided others, they led by example.
This kind of effort doesn't go unnoticed. Top referrer number 1 represents the kind of leadership we want to grow. Quiet, consistent, and genuine.
Yes. And our top referrer, no, from December 1 to 20, Ayan, who will receive our 5,000 pesos cash prize? This Christmas bonus, guys, is mga kaginto. Let's give a big round of applause. Mag-comment kayo dyan, guys, na congratulations kay Miss Arcely. Ayan, grabe naman. Mag-comment kayo dyan, guys, na deserve talaga.
Thank you, Arcely. How many referrals was that? 17?
Yes. Actually, there's a lot. Oh my God.
17, yes. Thank you,
17.
Arcely, for your
Yeah.
trust, your effort, and your belief in what we're building together. This recognition is well-deserved.
Yes, deserve na deserve talaga, Miss Ginto, no? Again, congratulations to our top 3 referrers. And mga kaginto, this is just a reminder, sharing something you believe in can truly make a difference. So, congratulations once again to our top 3 referrers, guys. Tonight po, we've celebrate 2 very important things, and effort, and even opportunity. So, mga kaginto, referrals remind us din talaga that growth happens when people believe enough to share. Ayan, we will call the first winner ulit, guys, kasi syempre, di ba, hindi siya naka-answer kanina. So, ngayon, we will call again. Okay, we will call again, guys. Ayan, grabe naman. I want to talk to our first winner ng ating 100,000 pesos cash prize, diba?
Hopefully mag-answer siya.
Yes, kasi kanina hindi talaga siya nag-answer, guys, no? So, hopefully talaga ngayon, mag-answer na siya. Ayan. So, anyway, mga kaginto natin dyan, guys, I want to see, guys, kung ilan na po ba yung mga viewers natin dyan? Ilan na? Ayan, I want to see, guys, kung ilan na yung ating viewers. Wow, ito na! Nag-answer na, guys. Ayan na, nag-answer na po. Sumagot na si ating winner number 1. Number 1, guys. Ayan, hello po. Magandang gabi.
Magandang gabi po, ma'am.
Oh my God! Parang ako excited sa'yo, Miss. So anyway, this is Ginto Privilege Club. So you're live on we're live on Facebook po. So right now, are you watching us live?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh my God, wow naman, nakakatuwa ka naman. So anyway, before anything else naman, kamusta po kayo tonight?
Okay lang. Super saya.
Naman, parang ako kasi mapapatalon na ako dito sa saya.
Naglundagan kami.
Grabe naman. Parang ako din excited sa'yo, Miss Ma'am, no? So anyway, may mga ganitong gabi din talaga na tahimik lang. So, tapos biglang may nangyayari, guys. So anyway,
Unexpected talaga. Super unexpected.
ayan. Tama ba, Ma'am? Miss Wizin? Wizin po ba?
Widen.
Wizin. Okay, sorry. So anyway, Miss Wizin, no, tumawag po kami dahil ikaw po yung napili namin.
Opo.
You are our first winner ng ating 100,000 pesos Christmas giveaway winner! Yes!
Super thank you talaga.
Yes. Ayun, Ma'am, ano na lang kayo, huminga muna kayo dyan, no? Kasi, eto, may tatanong lang ako sa inyo. Eto naman. So, ano po yung unang pumasok sa isip nyo nung narinig nyo yung aming call?
Kinababahan. Kasi nabawal. Pabalik-balik sila pagkagaan ng signal.
Oo, kaya pala hindi namin kayo makontak kanina kasi out of coverage talaga. Okay lang po yan, ma'am. Kasi that's a normal reaction naman, lalo na kahit ako naman, di ba? So anyway, kung ito naman, Miss Wizen, no, kung may isang bagay po kayo na matagal na nyo dating dinadala, ano po yun?
Problema. Ano po yun?
Yes, parang ganun po actually. Ayan, para kunwari, ano po ba yung mga pinaghuhugutan nyo ng lakas, ganun.
Meron pa pong problema sa health. Matagal na.
Oh my God. So, ayun. Anyway, mga kaginto natin, kung relate kayo kay Miss Wizen, no, mag-comment kayo, lumaban. Ayan, grabe naman kung mag-comment lang kayo dyan.
Miss Wizen, it's Miss Ginto. Congratulations again. And,
Thank you so much.
yeah, congratulations. And this moment is our way of saying, Wizen, na hindi nasayang ang lahat ng laban mo. And thank you for trusting GPC and for being part of our community.
Yes, and eto naman Miss Wizen, no, kanino po nyo gustong ialay po yung moment na to?
Sa mga anak ko po, sa pamilya ko po.
Oo naman, nakakatuwa. And that's good din talaga, no? And maraming salamat din po talaga sa pagbabahagi po ng yung mga questions namin kanina. Thank you po sa pag-answer din. And before we let you go po, no, quick reminder lang din talaga, Miss Wizen, kasi our team will contact you using the email and the mobile number po you use to register as a GPC member natin. So, to process the transfer po, no, no fees po ito, no charges, just a verification lang din talaga, and to transfer din po. Again, congratulations po again, Miss Wizen. And ayun po, maraming GPC members din talaga ang masaya para po sa iyo tonight, no. Enjoy this moment, guys, and maligayang Pasko po sa inyo.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much, Miss Ginto. Thank you, GPC. God bless.
You're very welcome, Wizen.
Nakakatuwa. Thank you so much po. Anyway, ayun, mga kaginto natin, no, we return din talaga to the one of the most exciting moments of the night. Earlier, we announced din talaga our first two 100,000 pesos winners natin dyan, guys. And as promised, we are calling, guys, ngayon yung ating third winner right now.
Oh, third winner na ba?
Yes,
oh my God.
Miss Ginto, no? So, important reminder din talaga to everyone watching here tonight. We are announcing our 5 winners at different moments tonight, guys. So, if you're still here, you're exactly where you need to be. Ayan, ma-hashtag kayo dyan ng GPC Live. Hashtag GPC Live, guys. Mag-hashtag kayo. Gusto ko makita. So anyway, Miss Christine, are we ready to call our third 100,000 pesos winner?
I'm always ready.
Yes.
I'm always ready. To all our GPC members watching live, this next name could be yours.
Yes. Alright, mga kaginto, no? Ayan. I'm so excited din talaga. Let's do this.
GPC members, we move now to our third winner. As always, one name, one call, one real moment. The third winner, or the third 100,000 winner of tonight's Christmas giveaway is... Run the draw, please. Congratulations to our third winner, Miss Regina.
Congratulations again, Miss Regine Ogayon. Ayan, we will be calling you right now, no? So, ayan. Okay, mga kaginto, here we go again, no? If this is your phone ringing, mag-answer na kayo dyan right now. Ayan, mag-type kayo, sagot na sa comments para sumagot na si Miss Regine.
Every call brings a new story. Let's see who's on the other side of the line.
Yes. And guys, wait na lang din po natin, no? Si ating winner na mag-answer po yung ating winner number 3 for the 100,000 pesos cash prize. Miss Regine, mag-answer ka na. Ayan, para naman makausap din namin kayo. Grabe, nakaka-excite din talaga to. Lalo na sa naramdaman din talaga ng winner number 1 natin, si Miss Wizen. Grabe, no? So, isipin nyo sa call pa lang, mararamdaman nyo yung excitement niya. And nakakatuwa lang din talaga with the GPC, guys. Parang ito yung nagiging way nyo. Ito yung platform na parang naging way din talaga nila. Alam mo yun, magkaroon ng hope pa rin. 'Di ba? And kayo din, guys, lahat po naman nanonood. And please, magano po kayo, may pag-asa pa rin po. Ayan, huwag kayong mawalan ng pag-asa dyan sa lahat po ng lumalaban, no? Ayan, lumaban lang kayo, huwag kayong sumuko, guys. Especially po, ayan, ito po kasi with the GPC, guys, madami pa sila ditong mga benefits kapag naging GPC member ka. Okay, with the GPC, guys, no, again, madami pa po kayong ma-avail dito. Isipin nyo, meron tayo dito mga discounts and perks with the merchant partners ng GPC. Isipin nyo, guys, madami pa silang mga partners, guys. And aside from that, actually, meron pa yung mga sa beauty and personal care, for the travels, di ba, ma'am? So anyway, aside from that, no, madami pa yan, guys, as in. And makikita nyo yan later on kasi papakita ko naman yan during live. So anyway, no, Sa mga Ginto Privilege Club natin dyan na members, magstay lang kayo dyan. And kasi while we're waiting naman sa ating winner number 3 to answer, ayan, wait lang po kayo dyan, guys. Kasi again, everybody, no, sayang naman din talaga if ever, especially po kay Miss Regine. Ayan, Miss Regine, mag-answer ka na. Ayan, sayang din talaga to. Ayan, so anyway, again guys, the win naman is, din po talaga, documented. So, ayun, they'll be, naman, contacting the winner po, the winner number 3 naman sa aming team, guys. Ayan. So, ayun, mag-wait na lang din po tayo. Thank you so much for your patience, mga kaginto, no? So, wait for a while. Okay, kasi inaantay pa din natin talaga si ating winner number 3 to answer. Okay, stay until the end mga kaginto, no? Ayan, magstay lang kayo dyan. Kasi sayang naman. Ayan, mag-comment kayo dyan ng mag-wait ako. Ayan, mag-wait kayo. Yun, nagre-ringing. Wow naman, nagre-ring na. So, sana talaga. Sana hindi tulog. Sana hindi po tulog si Miss Regine, no? Miss Regine, ayan, sana nandito ka sa live ramen right now kung gaano kami ka-excited ngayon. Nanginginig na ako sa lamig. Ay, sa lamig lang pala. Hindi seryoso, talaga. Tawag dito, nakakatuwa lang din talaga with the GPC, guys. Alam mo yun, mas nagiging way nyo pa talaga siya na mas magbago yung buhay nyo. Diba? Yun yung lagi namin sinasabi sa inyo, every month po, pag once na naging GPC member ka, every month, guys, magkakaroon kayo ng mga, magkakaroon kayo ng mga entries po, no, sa ating major giveaways every month. Okay, katulad po ni Miss Irene Santos po, no, nung last November 29, guys. Kasi last November 29, yun po yung aming live po for 1 million draw cash prize, ma'am, no? So anyway, sobrang nakakatuwa lang din talaga. And as you can see naman, kanina lalo na yung mga nagstay po from the start of our live ngayon, tonight po, no, mapapansin nyo din talaga kung gaano ka-genuine, ayan, kung gaano katotoo si Miss Irene Santos. Okay, isipin nyo, pinagpala din talaga siya, and siguro ito yung naging way niya para po mas makaahon pa po sa hirap din po ng buhay. Okay, with the GPC, as I said earlier, no, diba, isipin nyo, si Miss Ginto din talaga, dun siya, naging naging tanong niya sa sarili, paano nga po ba siya makakatulong? Ayan, ito naman, ayun mga kaginto natin dyan, okay mga kaginto, no? We've attempted din talaga to reach the winner po natin, si Miss Regine, multiple times. So, just to be very clear lang din talaga mga kaginto, for everyone's watching here, this is a live draw, this is a live call, no edits, no second takes. Ayan. According to GPC's official process, if a winner po cannot be reached live during the call, ayan, the win po as again is documented, the account po is verified, and our team po will continue the winner directly using the registered email and mobile number in their GPC account.
Yeah, that's correct, Raisha. And this ensures fairness, security, and protection for all members. No one is skipped, no one is replaced unfairly.
Yes, and mga kaginto natin, no, moments like this, guys, are normal, isa in live draws natin dyan. And what matters then talaga is that the process stays fair, calm, and transparent. So,
totoo yan, Raisha.
Yeah.
Every winner tonight is chosen by the system. Every step is documented, and every prize follows the same process.
alright, mga kaginto natin dyan out there, guys, no, thank you so much for your patience. Ayan, let's continue po with the program as we prepare din po talaga, no, to our second hour or sa ating sa ating third 100,000 winner, guys. Actually, support na tayo next. Okay. So, congratulations po again kay Miss Regine. Again po sa ating third 100,000 pesos winner natin dyan. So, mga kaginto, guys, no, that's 3 real moments tonight. So, 3 real people, guys. Ayan, nanalo ngayong giveaway po natin ngayong Christmas, and sobrang nakakatuwa lang din talaga kasi with the GPC, guys, nagbibigay din po sila ng Christmas giveaway, guys, and lalo na ngayon, gift giving season, diba? Now let's shift, guys, gears for a bit din talaga, because while giveaways will change lives in one moment, the app is what supports members every day. So a lot of people ask us, ayan, okay, aside from giveaways, ano ba daw talaga yung ginagawa ng GPC app? So instead of explaining it, ayan, let us show you. Let us show you mga kaginto. So Miss Christine, why is it so important din talaga for members to actually explore the app?
Yeah, because the app is where the real value lives. The giveaways are moments, but the app is where members get daily savings, real discounts, and partner access. If you're a member and you're not using the app yet, you're missing out.
Yes, you're missing out, guys, with the GPC OMG. Diba? Sayang naman. So right now, mga kaginto, no, we're going to do a quick walkthrough. So no pressure, no selling, guys, no? Just showing you how easy it is, guys, to use the app. And syempre, guys, no, and access the real deals, everybody. When you open po the GPC app natin dyan, ayan, kung makikita nyo dyan. Actually, guys, makikita nyo naman sa homepage yan, actually. So, ayan. So, anyway, guys, everybody, guys, may mga nagpapa-shoutout na papansin ko. Hello po kay Kim. Ayan, waiting daw. Wow naman. Sige, mag-wait lang kayo dyan. Ayan, patience is the key, guys. Kasi, guys, kailangan din talaga natin mag-antay ngayon. Siyempre, live din talaga to. This is normal din talaga. Okay, kaya naman again, no, sa mga GPC member natin dyan, ayan, baka ikaw na po isa sa mga 100,000 pesos natin dyan. Kasi meron pa tayong dalawa. As in, meron pa tayong dalawa, guys, na i-announce later on. So, 100,000 pesos cash prize. And aside from that, guys, yes! And everybody, no, isipin nyo, meron pa tayo sa mga Christmas cash bonus natin dyan with yung ating Chay, shout out talaga kay Boss Mark. Ayan, shout out. Ayan kay Boss Mark, no, hello. GPC member na din talaga siya, no. Welcome po. Ayan, anyway, ayan, guys, ito na pala. Ito, papakita ko sa inyo kung paano nyo po ba makikita din yung mga partner merchants, partners natin dyan and how to access the deals. Ayan, let us guide you guys. And syempre, kung makikita nyo dito, as you can see naman sa ating screen, no, may makikita kayo dito yung ating homepage, guys. And sa homepage, meron tayo dito sa top left corners, everybody, yung ating partners. Okay? Ito siya. Si ating partners, ayan. Ito, guys, ako makikita nyo dyan, everybody, kapag nag-scroll kayo, there's a lot of merchant partners ng GPC. And aside from that, to categorize, guys, yan. And kung makikita nyo here, scroll nyo lang yan sa ginto deals natin dyan. And pag na-click nyo po yung ating filter, mag-filter out mo naman yung mga food and beverage, mga categorize natin here, food and beverage, beauty and personal care, travel and experiences, and so much more. As you can see, there's a lot. Grabe naman with the GPC, guys, no? Makakuha kayo ng mga discounts and even perks, guys. And ayun, ako kasi personally ako kasi sobrang fan ako ng beauty and personal care. So, ita-try natin yan ngayon. So, ayan. Makikita nyo naman here, meron tayo dito, ayan o, meron tayong 60% off. We do also have free. Grabe naman sa nails pa package natin dyan. Meron din tayo 60%. We do also have your 10%, 20% as well. But, ito, paano nga po ba siya i-access? Ayan, let's see. Ito, ano natin to? Isipin nyo guys, no expiration yung deals niya. So, ito po, kung makikita nyo dito, with the Slimmers World Face Skin Clinic, kung makikita nyo dito, paano nga po ba siya i-access yung 60% off ng ating Obagi Facial. So, pag nag-access kayo dyan, ayan, i-follow nyo lang po yung information na nandun po sa ating deals. Ayan, makikita nyo naman. And diba, sobrang simple lang din talaga. Diba, you simply click the deal, guys. You'll see the exclusive deals available only to GPC members natin dyan. Again, basahin nyo po ulit ang mga deal information before accessing the deal, guys, kasi there is an online and on-site redemption process po information naman. So, no coupons to print, guys. And syempre, no awkward explanations. You just show the voucher code dan sa ating mga partner brands ng GPC. And syempre, enjoy the discounts.
And also, all our partner merchants are carefully selected. We don't believe in flooding the app with random offers. Quality partners lang, real savings, and simple experience.
Yes, and tama ka dyan, Miss Ginto, no? Mga kaginto natin dyan, if you've already used a deal in the app, guys, mag-comment kayo kung na-try nyo na. Ayan, mag-comment kayo na-try ko na. Ayan, gusto ko makita kung sino yung nakatry na, ha? Ayan, gusto ko makita dyan. Gusto ko muna makita kung sino yung nag-comment. Ayan. Wow naman, Miss Irish, ito, natry niya na daw. Wow, hello. Thank you so much, ma'am. Wow, gustong-gusto ko yan. Kasi iba din talaga yung mga nabibigay ng mga discounts ni GPC na napakita ko naman sa inyo kanina, no? So, if you're a member, guys, but haven't explored it yet, ayan, mag-comment kayo mamaya. Comment kayo dyan ng mamaya kasi gusto ko din talaga na matry nyo din siya. Kasi sayang din talaga, isipin nyo ang lalaki ng mga discounts. Diba? Iba-iba naman talaga yung discounts niya, especially ngayong Christmas season. And these deals means, guys, no, less gastos, more experiences pa, at syempre, more room din talaga to enjoy the holidays. So, habang iniikot nyo po sa isip nyo, no, ayan, kung ano po ba yung deal ang susunod yung gagamitin, don't go anywhere. Kasi because after this, we still have 2 more 100,000 pesos cash winners. Yes, 2 more, guys. And to announce tonight, everyone, no? So, ayan, there you have it, mga kaginto, no? Ayan, that's how the GPC app works. Simple, practical, and designed din talaga to add value every single day. Oh my God! 5,000 viewers! Grabe naman! Nakakatuwa! Grabe kayo, guys. Nakakatuwa kayo, mga kaginto, no? I like that. And, well, the app, guys, supports you daily, no? Tonight po is about something bigger. Okay, kaya stay until the end, guys, kasi tonight is all about moments that happens once in a lifetime, guys, to stay with you forever. Diba? So far, we've already announced the 100,000 pesos winner natin this Christmas, guys. 3 names, 3 stories, 3 lives touch everybody. Okay, and as we have said earlier, guys, from the start po, we are announcing the 5 winners at different moments. So, if you're still watching right now, you're exactly where you need to be. So, Miss Christine, ayan, are we ready to announce ba the 4th 100,000 pesos cash winner natin dyan?
Yes, of course. To all GPC members watching live, this next call could be yours.
Yes, nakakatuwa. Sobrang nakaka-exciting talaga to. Ay, alright, mga kaginto natin dyan, guys, no? Mga kaginto natin dyan, let's do this.
GPC members, as we move closer to the end of the night, this next moment feels a little heavier. Because every name we call carries a story we may never fully know. The 4th 100,000 pesos winner of tonight's Christmas giveaway is...
calling you now, no? So, ito naman, mga kaginto, this is one of those calls, no, that can change a season for someone. Ayan, mag-type na kayo dyan in the comments, no? Let me know, guys. Ayan, sumagot ka na. Ayan, mag-comment kayo dyan, sagot na. Sa comment section para sumagot na si Sir Ruel.
Moments like this talaga reminds us why patience matters.
Yes. Actually. So, just a reminder lang din talaga, no, mga kaginto, this is a live call. So, no edits, no second take. What you're saying right now is exactly what's happening, guys. So, and to everyone so watching, no, this is our 4th winner tonight. We still have 1 more coming naman. So, please stay with us until the end.
Oh, I think, is he answering? No, not yet. Okay. Some calls can change your night. Some calls change your season. This might be one of those calls.
Yes. Ay, actually ringing. Oh my God. Ringing na yung ating lucky winner number 4. Yes. Nakakatuwa naman. So, ayun. We're still waiting din talaga sa ating winner number 4 no, to answer. Ayan. Again, guys, meron din po talaga tayong mga, again po, no, sa mga benefits for the GPC. Again, for the GPC natin dyan, mga GPC member natin dyan, sobrang laki na makakuha nyo kasi meron tayong 3 dyan actually. Meron kayo, guys, you can win a major prize Okay, every month po yun, no, kapag naging GPC member ka. Tapos, you can win naman. Actually, meron tayong mga discounts and even perks for that, for our merchant, from our merchant partners ng GPC app. And syempre, yung ating, yung ating referral program. Yes. And kaya naman, no, sa mga new viewers natin dyan, wait lang po kayo kasi kami din, nag-aantay din po talaga sa aming winner number 4 po for the 100,000 pesos. Okay? Si Sir Ruel.
Ruel,
Yes,
yeah,
Ruel.
Alcantara.
And Sir Ruel Alcantara, if nandito ka sa live, please answer the call lang. Kasi sayang din talaga. Kaya nga lagi ko sinasabi sa iyo, manood kayo palagi ng mga live namin. Lalo na ganito. Ayan, sabi ni RC, wow naman. Nakita ko dito, nag-comment. Ayan. Sabi ni RC, guys, and Ruel, sagot na. Ayan, diba? Pati ako, parang napapaisip din ako, yes, sumagot ka na, please. Yes, sumagot ka na. Para naman, gusto ko din namin, ma-interview din, syempre. Kasi isipin nyo, with, actually, lang namin, si Miss Wizin, kanina. Sabi ni Cathy, ayan, Ruel, sagot na. Diba? Ayan, Cathy, pati ako diba? Gusto ko nang, please, sumagot ka na. Kaya nga lagi namin sinasabi din talaga, guys, no, na mag-wait din po kayo and mag-abang po kayo sa mga live namin sa GPC kasi sayang din talaga yung mga, namin, today, lalo na if kayo po yung nanalo. Ayan, okay mga kaginto, ayan, na-confirm din talaga ng aming team, no, na we've attempted din talaga to reach Sir Ruel Alcantara. So, multiple times po yun. So, again, just to be very clear din talaga for everyone's watching, this is a live draw, this is a live call, no edits, no second take. Okay, so, according to GPC's official process, if a winner po cannot be reached live during the call, everybody know, mga kaginto, the win po is documented naman. The account then is verified. And syempre, our team po will contact the winner directly using the registered email and syempre po yung mga mobile number in their GPC account.
Okay, shall we proceed to the next program?
Yes.
Or the next winner? Or maybe we'll talk about the Refer and Rise.
Yes, oh my God, I'm so excited kasi parang bago to, mama. So anyway, mga kaginto natin, no, mga natin dyan. Pero again, everybody, mga nakita natin tonight po ng mga moments ng swerte, guys, no. Pero sa GPC po, naniniwala din talaga kami yung may isa pang klaseng opportunity. Yung binubuo, yung sinishare, yung lumalago over time. Ayan, alam nyo to, guys. Alam kong familiar kayo sa ganito, no? And at dyan po, pumapasok din talaga ang Refer and Rise program natin dyan. So ito naman, Miss Christine, bakit po mahalaga ang referrals ng GPC?
Dahil ang referral ay tungkol sa tiwala. Kapag nag-refer ka sa GPC, hindi lang link ang sinishare mo. Tiwala mo sa platform ang pinapasa mo. Kaya ginawa namin ang Refer and Rise para parehong rewarded ang nag-invite at ang sumali.
Yes, and ganito lang kasimple mga kaginto na kung paano nga po ba gumagana ang Refer and Rise natin sa ngayon. So, unang-una po, mag-invite ka lang ng kaibigan mo or even mga family members mo, di ba? Ayan po, kahit sino man yung kakilala mo dyan, ay mag-invite ka lang. Tapos, gumamit siya ng referral code mo. Ayan, di ba? Gagamit siya ng referral code mo. At syempre, sumali siya sa GPC. Okay? Ito po, no, isa po sa mga perks na to, no, siya po ay makakakuha din talaga ng 1 month free Royal membership natin dyan. So, full access siya, guys, sa lahat ng benefits natin dyan for 1 whole month. So, tanong, ano naman po ang para sa iyo bilang referrer? So, ito naman, after matapos ang free month niya, so at once po na nag-renew po siya, ayan, at nag-start siya magbayad, guys, syempre, kikita ka po ng monthly referral commission. So, per referral po yan. So, at tuloy-tuloy po yan kada buwan. Okay, habang active member siya. So, at para malinaw po sa lahat, no? Makikita nyo po lahat ng referrals mo po, no? Makikita nyo din po talaga yung mga earnings mo, lahat yan ay nasa referral dashboard. Okay, walang hulaan, walang manual, listahan man yan. Okay, ang importante din talaga, tandaan mga kaginto, no? Again, hindi pa agad may komisyon sa first month. Nagsisimula din talaga ang komisyon sa second month kapag tapos na po yung free month, ayan, at nagbayad na po ang referral. Diba? So, ngayon mga kaginto natin, no, ito na din talaga yung exciting part. Magbabago ito starting today. Oh my God! Magbabago na ang ating referral program, guys, kasi, ito na. Diba, wala nang free. Yes, wala nang free, guys. This means everybody, mas upgraded na po ang referral benefits natin. Hindi lang free membership, kundi mas malaking chance din talaga to win agad. So, paano nga po ba siya? Ayan, paano po ba siya gumagana simula ngayon? Ito, just to clear with you guys, no, kapag may nag-refer sa'yo at nag-avail ka ng membership using the referral code, guys, dole agad yung ating raffle entries, guys, sa ating first month.
That's right. Starting from today, mas lalakas pa ang refer and rise. May commission ka agad, wala nang waiting ng second month.
Yes, and tama ka dyan, Miss Ginto, no? So anyway, mas maganda din talaga to, mga kaginto, dahil both the referrer and syempre yung referee, guys, gets the instant reward din talaga. Ito yung bagong entries din talaga, starting from today. Syempre, isipin nyo yung normal na entries natin, no? For the Royal membership, pag kunwari nag-avail yung ating friend or mga na-refer nyo, guys, ayan, nag-avail sila ng Royal membership. Ayan, from 1,000 entries, magiging double entries na siya. So, magiging 2,000 entries na siya. So, mas malaki yung chance natin para manalo. So, elite member ka naman, kapag nakapag-avail naman siya ng elite membership, you will get naman, instead na 100 entries, ngayon po magiging doble again, 200 entries.
For the first month.
Yes, for the first month lang po yan, no? So, for the basic naman, again po, instead na 10 entries lang, ngayon po 20 entries na. 'Di ba? Ibig sabihin, mas mataas po yung chance natin manalo. And syempre, ikaw mismong referrer po, may commission ka agad na makukuha with the month, guys. And halimbawa po, no, ito. And just for example lang din talaga, mga kaginto, may nag-refer sa akin today. Tapos, kung may basic membership kayo na in-avail ko, ayan. So, kunwari, basic member yung in-avail ko, ayan. Tapos, ang mangyayari kasi niyan, 20 entries na po agad yung makukuha nyo for the first month. Okay, and then yung following months pala, no, babalik na po ito sa regular 10 entries natin dyan monthly. So, bakit nga po ba ito win-win, no? Kasi ikaw, mas malaki yung chance mong manalo starting the day 1, and si referrer mo naman po, yung pinagkuhanan mo ng referral code, ang mangyayari po niyan, may commission naman siya agad. With the GPC community natin dyan, mas mabilis at mas fair din ang growth.
Yeah, this upgrade actually rewards action. Mas maraming chances para sa referral mo. Mas mabilis na reward para sa iyo. Mas fair, mas mabilis, at mas healthy para sa community.
Yes, and by the way ha, mga kaginto, check the pin to register, everyone. Mga kaginto natin dyan, kung gusto mo po yung bagong refer and rise natin dyan, mag-comment kayo ng ready na ako. Ayan, ready na ako, guys, kasi ako din ready na. Isipin nyo, guys, no, starting today, ang ating refer and rise. Okay, kung nagre-refer ka na ngayon, mag-comment kayo, refer and rise, guys. Ayan, 15 minutes left na lang, no, mga kaginto. Ayan, guys, so again, this is just one of the many upgrades din talaga we're building for GPC. And syempre, speaking of upgrades, don't go anywhere. Kasi, again, we still have one more 100,000 pesos winner to announce tonight. Again, transition to one. Again, guys, no? Tonight po, guys, we'll celebrate din talaga many things. Okay, the effort, the trust, the community, and the hope. And now, guys, syempre, we arrived din talaga at the final moment of the night. So far, we've announced din talaga the 100,000 pesos winners natin dyan. 4 names, 4 calls, 4 lives touch everybody. And now, mga kaginto, this is the last one. So, if you stayed with us from the beginning ng ating live, no, thank you so much, mga kaginto. If you joined naman somewhere in the middle, you're right on time na pa rin. So, because right now, guys, this moment belongs to everyone still watching. So, Miss Christine, ito naman, are we ready to announce na ba our final 100,000 pesos cash winner?
I'm always ready. Yes, of course. To all our GPC members watching live tonight, this final name could be yours.
Yes, tama ka dyan, Miss Ginto, no? Alright, mga kaginto natin dyan. Ayan, oh my God. Parang na-excite ako, ma'am. Let's do this.
GPC members, this is our final call for the night. 5 winners, 5 moments, 5 lives touched. And now we come to the last name. The 5th and final 100,000 pesos winner of our Christmas giveaway is... Run the draw, please.
Congratulations, Sir Edward. Sir Edward. Nalimutan ko yung name niya. Grabe, napakahaba naman, di ba? Pati kami nahirapan. So anyway, we are calling you right now, Sir Edward, no? So mga kaginto, no? This is the last call of the night. Grabe, napakahaba ng ng name ni Sir Edward. So please answer. If this is your phone ringing, guys, please answer na.
Some moments talaga, Raisha, no? Some moments are meant to arrive exactly when they do.
Yes, tama ka dyan, Miss Christine, no? And we're still trying to reach you, Sir Edward. Ayan, check your phone naman. Kasi sayang din talaga to. We want to talk to you naman po ngayon. Dahil na isa ka po sa mga nanalo ngayong 100,000 pesos winner natin ngayon, guys. Ngayong Christmas giveaway ng ating GPC. Ayan, mag-type na kayo dyan, guys, sa mga new viewers natin dyan. Mag-type kayo sa comments na sagot na. Gusto ko makita dyan, no? Mga kaginto, wherever you are right now, let's take this moments together, guys. Ayan, again, by the way, check the comments, guys. Yung pin comment po natin dyan to register, guys. And may click nyo lang yon. Mag-check kayo doon, guys, para naman makapag-register na kayo to be a GPC member. And type na po kayo, ha? Type na kayo, guys, na andito ako sa comments, guys, kung kasama niyo po kami hanggang dulo. Ayan, just a reminder din talaga to everyone's watching, guys. This is live, no edits po, no retakes. Okay, what's happening right now din talaga is happening in real time.
And obviously, every call tonight has been real. Every name has mattered. This final call is no different.
Yes, so it's a Christmas season actually. So for some people, no, the time of the year is full of light. For others naman, it's quiet. Well, tonight po, we hope this call din talaga bring a little warmth to someone's night. Wow naman, grabe. Oh my God. Nag-answer na si Sir Edward. Ayan, Sir Edward. Parang excited na ako makipag-usap sa'yo. Bakit pala ang haba ng name nyo? Ayun. Parang nakakahaba ng name niya talaga, no? Grabe. Grabe. Nakakaano lang din. Actually, pati nga si Miss Ginto kanina, parang nahihirapan kaming dalawa. So anyway, wow naman, nandito na si Sir Edward, no? Yun, nandito na po. I'm so excited. Hello po, magandang gabi.
Opo, ma'am.
Hello, Sir Edward, bakit? Ayan, hello po, Sir Edward, no? This is Ginto Privilege Club.
Opo, hindi ko expect na may ganito pala, no?
Wow naman. So anyway, Sir Edward, ayan. Are you watching us live right now?
Opo.
Wow na, oh! Parang,
Sorry.
are you watching us live po today? Sa Facebook po. Hindi.
Kapatid ng asawa ko yung live.
Okay. Okay. Ayan. So, by the way, I just want to inform them and announce po, no, ikaw po yung aming lucky 50 winner for GPC's Christmas giveaway. Diba nakakatuwa lang din talaga. So, Sir Edward, ito naman, kung pwede mong ilarawan naman ngayon, yung moment na po ito sa isang salita lang. So, ano po yun, Sir Edward? Yes po.
Ito yung sa may mga kami, dapat may paayos dito sa bahay na parang minimiss ko.
Pang-renovate po, gano'n.
Opo,
Yes. So anyway, ngayong gabi po, no, Sir Edward, ano pong pinapaalala po sa'yo ng panalong ito tungkol sa sarili niyo po. So, ano po yun? Yung,
Kung panalo parang sa po yung sagot sa pananalitan.
yes, grabe no? Yes po.
Kaya,
And sobrang life-changing lang din talaga, no?
wala masyado.
Yeah. Ay, grabe.
Speechless.
Grabe, speechless ka talaga, sir, no?
Hindi ko talaga. Ha?
Speechless ka talaga. Grabe, wala ka talaga masaba kasi kahit naman siguro ako, sa sobrang excited ko, no?
Saka yung mga ano ko dito, gulat din.
Oo naman.
Dito.
Nakakatuwa naman. So anyway, Sir Edward, may isang tanong lang din ako. Bakit po ang haba ng name? Charis, eme lang. Joke lang. Anyway.
Tatay ko na lang po.
Ay, pwede po makausap tatay mo. Charis, eme lang. Joke lang. So anyway, Sir Edward, thank you so much. And by the way, congratulations again. Kasi you are our last, actually, ikaw yung pinaka-last namin na winner for our Christmas 100,000 pesos giveaway namin.
Wala. Sakto, magpapasko pa naman, no?
Diba? Totoo naman.
Oo, salamat po.
Perfect.
Yes, perfect din talaga. Perfect timing din talaga to, Sir Edward.
Oo, timing.
Ito naman, Sir Edward. O, diba? So, ito naman, Sir Edward, no? Kung may isa pong mensahe o kaya may message ka po na maiiwan po sa lahat ng kaginto natin dyan, nanonood po. Kasi live tayo ngayon eh. So, ayan, mga nanonood po hanggang dulo tonight. Ano po yun? Ano pong message nyo sa kanila?
Ano po? Sorry.
Okay. So anyway, ito po ulit, no? Ang message ko po, ang tanong ko po ulit sa inyo, kung may isang message po kayo or may message po kayo na maiiwan po sa lahat ng kaginto na nanonood po hanggang dulo tonight, ano po yun?
Sorry, guys. Ulit nga po.
Ay, walang signal. Anyway, so everybody guys, si ating ano po, no, Sir Edward, we will call, tawag dito,
Tawagin na lang.
tawagan na lang po namin kayo. Actually, yung team po namin, yung ano po, magko-contact po sa inyo, ha?
Sige, ma'am.
Thank you so much po and congratulations.
Thank you po. Salamat po.
Ayan. Thank you so much again, no, Sir Edward. Ayan, grabe naman. Congratulations once again to all our 5 winners tonight. So, mga kaginto, grabe. Let's take a deep breath. Grabe, no? So, tonight po kasi was never just about the prizes. It was about the stories. It was about trust. It was about, guys, about showing up and staying po, no, from the very first minute natin dyan until the very final moment. And Miss Christine, ito naman, before we officially close the night, would you like to share the final message po to our GPC community?
To everyone who stayed with us tonight, thank you. Thank you for your time, your trust, and your belief in what we're building. GPC is not built on promises, it's built on people. People who choose integrity, people who choose consistency, people who choose to grow together. As we move into 2026, we're excited, not because of what's coming, but because of who we're building it with.
Yes, thank you so much, Miss Kristen. No, so mga kaginto watching right now, whether you won tonight or not po, ayan, your presence mattered din talaga for us, no? And your time mattered. Okay, especially sa mga nagstay until the end, guys, no? And if you stay with us until the very end, guys, ng ating live tonight, well, mag-comment kayo hanggang dulo. Ayan, gusto ko makita kung sino ba talaga from the start, guys, or from the middle po ng aming live, sino po ba yung nagstay din talaga from the very end of the live. From all of us po, no, at Ginto Privilege Club, maligayang Pasko po sa inyong lahat. Kasi may this season din talaga bring you peace, clarity, and new beginnings. Huwag po tayong sumuko sa buhay. Okay, may pag-asa pa po yan. Good night mga kaginto, no? And thank you so much for being part of our story. Happy holiday!